If you want to start freelancing, here are top 5 websites you should try. Number 1, LinkedIn. All the professional people hang out here. Build your personal brand, showcase your skills, and get your first project. Number 2, Upwork, and number 3, Fiverr. Both these platforms work kind of similar. In Fiverr, you have to create your gigs, optimize for SEO, and wait for the project. In Upwork, you have to create your profile, upload all your portfolios, showcase your skills, and send a lot of good proposals. Eventually, you will get your first client. Number 4, Facebook groups. I know many of you won't believe me, but I got my first project from Facebook group. There are many closed private Facebook groups where you have to answer a lot of questions and then you get the entry. Buyers are posting many projects every single day and looking for freelancers like us. Here you have better conversion rate because you can DM the buyer or the client directly, talk to them and get your first project. Lastly, number 5, Twitter and Reddit. In these platforms, there are communities and subreddits where you can join, similar to Facebook groups, talk to them directly and convince them to book a meeting with you, and then you get your first client.